Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will understand one of the thing that how you can set the database limits for your customers while creating a plan. So simply log into your agency. Once you are logged in, please go to your customer plan section. And if you want to check what is the current database limit of your existing plans, for example, I have this free plan. I will just click on edit option and go to this option, fourth option, feature restrictions. Scroll down to the last, you will get this option of AI database limit. So this limit is in MBs. You can change this limits to 500 or 1000. And once you are done with this, just click on update. And the updated limit will be added to this plan, but this limit will be only assigned once the plan will be renewed for this customer, like basically from the next billing cycle of this customer. So this is how you can set the AI database limit for your customers, like as a partner, how you can set the limit. So that's all about this video. In case if you have any questions, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.